So this is Expert Funda and we are going to see today Leetcode question. So today we have Leetcode question 1071 and it is a greatest common divisor of a string. Okay, so let's read this question. Two string we have given s and t, and we say t divides s if and only if t equal to t in the starting some string we have and ending we have with the t. It means what it is saying that we have some string is given. Let's suppose s1 we have given and s1 has some string, right? Let's take the example of this one. So let's str1 we have what a b c, and what we have a b c, and it is saying str2 also we have s2 will say we have a b c. Now it is what is saying that two string we have given s and t. We say t divides s if and only if t have s have some value. So if in set it is saying that s we have like both side we have t, but there is some string, right? So s can divide this string, right? S can divide this string. So if two string s and t we have, so if s we have some uh, can connected with some string substring, right, we can say, and in both ending we have t, right? So this string can be divided. It means it is saying that t can connected with itself or more times. It's with itself or more times it can be. So string to a string s1 and s2 we have given, so we have to return the largest x that divides both s1 and s2, string s1 and string s2. Let's consider this example. We have str1 and it is what we have given a b c, a b c, two time we have given. So if I'll represent this like this one, okay, so it will look like this one, right? And if we'll talk about str2, we have given only one a b c, right? So if I'll tell you to check the substring, right? So substring we can find what a, then b, then c. That can be possible, right? But if we'll say common substring, so you can see common string is abc and abc, right? So x is a common substring, we can say, suppose a b c. So if I divide this ABC with this one and this one, yeah, we can divide. So what will happen, right? It is coming two time here, right? So we can divide by two time. Here we can divide by two time, and here we get divide by one time, correct? And that's why we are getting like this. Okay, so what I'm doing here, let's suppose we have given this let me remove, then we'll talk. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, let's suppose we have this str1, right? Str1 we have given a b c. Okay, next we have given a b c, another we have given what a b c. So now what we should do, we will both we have given, right? str1, this is nothing but our, let's suppose this is s1 and this is s2. Okay, so we should check s1 plus s2 is equal to s2 plus s1. If this is equal to this one, right? So let's do first, I will do for this one. So what we have abc in s1, a b c. Next what we have a b c, and what is s2 we have abc we have right here. So I'll add here abc. So this string after this concatenation, it will look like this one, correct? abc abc abc, correct? Let me erase this one. So this will look like this one. Okay, now if we'll do this s2 plus s1, so in s2 what we have a b c we have, but in s1 what we have a b c, a b c. Yeah, it is coming, right? So now you can see that both are same, both are same. So if this condition match, right, means both have you can say both have what identical divisible string, you can say. Both is there is exist and divisible string, and that string we can say nothing but our base. And what is the base here? You can see the base is nothing but a common substring. The base is nothing but a common substring, because since both string contains what multiple of the identical segment base, that base I told. And what is the base we have? That is ABC, right? So if I'll count the length of this ABC, right, so that is nothing but what, its length is 3. Let's suppose length is 3. If I'll check the length of this one, this is what we have, 3 and 3 6. Its length is what we have, 3, right? So can I divide by this 3 to this 3 this 6? Yes, we can divide by 2. And can I divide by this, right? So what we have here, 3. Yes, we can divide by 1. So if with the base substring length, remember, if the base of a string and its length, right, if I can base, this is nothing but what, base length, we can say base length. If I can divide by our base length to the length of the given s1 and length of s2, it means there is a common substring, right? First we will check, is it equal. First we will check what, is it equal, and then we will check what, is it divisible by this, right? So this is our you can say we have the GCD, right? And this GCD, if it is able to divide, means if it is able to divide means if their divisible string we have, let's suppose we have find out our divisible string, right? So what is the length of the GCD string, right? So GCD string length is 3, because both we can divide by both s1 and s2. Okay, so let's consider another example. Okay, let me go to here. Okay, now think about another example. Okay, let's suppose in s1, this time we are taking a b c, another we have a b c, another we have a b c, 3 we have taken a b c, a b c, a b c. Okay, in s2 we'll take 2 a b c and a b c. Let's suppose we are taking 2 a b c, a b c, s1 and s2. Now as I told you, we will check s1 plus s2 equal to s2 plus s1, first condition. And second condition we will check divisible by GCD length. Okay, divisible of GCD length. Okay, so first if we do s1 plus s2, we can see it will come a b c, a b c, a b c. This is s1. In s2 what we have, a b c, a b c, right? So let me go from 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, total 5 is coming. Now if we'll do here a b c, that is in s2 we have abc, abc in s2, correct? But if we concatenate s1, what we have, a b c, a b c, a b c. Yeah, we can concatenate this one and we can append this one, right? So both are same, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Both are same. Now we will check GCD. What is the GCD? As you can see in both, right, what is common? We have common substring, we have a b c. Common substring is abc. Okay, and this is nothing but our GCD. Okay, this is GCD and its length is what, 3. And if we'll talk about the length of this one, it is what, 3 3 3, it is 9. And its length is what, 2 times 6, right? 3 3 6. So this is the length of 9 and this is the length of 6, right? So now what we will do, if we'll divide by these 3 to 9, we can divide by what? 3, and we can divide this s2 length also by 2. It means this GCD is the smallest length of GCD. Okay, and we have find out that there is a divisible string and its length is 3, and so that and see, if we know we will not divide this one, if it is not possible, then what we will do, the GCD of a string is maybe shorter than this one. Okay, so as you can consider this example, you can consider this example, you apply, you will see that. Okay, so now what we will do, I think you have understood, right? So the first algorithm we will check what, if the concatenation of string s1 and s2 in different order are same, right? We'll check this order. If the s1 and s2 in different order are same, right? s1 plus s2 equal to s2 plus s1, right? If not, if this will not return, right? So we'll say that this is not divisible, right? And again, like for this example, if we'll do the s1 and s2, s1 we have leet and s2 we have code. Now we check s2 plus s2, what will come in? Code leet, right? So this condition is not matching, so this is example 3 is not a we can say divisible by any common divisor, right? And that is giving null. So we will return null, as you can see here, null, if we are not able to find the common by applying this first rule, right? Now what we will check, we will get the GCD length, this one GCD length, and we'll check, will apply on both. Is it divisible by this number, right? If it is divisible, means this length of a string we have got, this is the substring we have to return as a length of the GCD, and we'll say this is the common answer, right? So let's go to the browser and we'll apply this concept that we have discussed here. Thank you so much. Let's go to. So we are here in the browser, and let's do hands-on. Okay, so what we have given here, we have given two string, right? And first we should check, is this string is empty or not, right? So or we can apply directly the formula, right? So I was telling, let's suppose this is our s1, and similarly we will take this is our s2, right? So I'll check what the formula, right, that we have find out, right? We'll say if let's suppose we'll take here, don't write if, we'll start if s1, and we'll do plus s2, correct? Concatenate, we will do s1 plus s2 is equal to, right? So this string is nothing but our s3. Let's suppose this is our s3. Okay, I'll consider s3, and if we'll take another s4, right, and this is nothing but whatever, we'll take s2 and plus s1, correct? So this is a string, this is our string we have, let me this one. So this is our string s3, and this is our string s4. Okay, if string s3 equal to s4, right? So I'll take this one. Okay, we'll take if s3 is equal to s4, right? We can check if s3 is equal to s4, right? Then we will find the you can say GCD, right? But we can do one more thing. We'll check if s3 for two string, what we'll do, we'll check equal, right? Equals, yeah, and then we'll pass s4. Okay, if both are equal, if both are not equal, right? Then what we will do, we will check here only, right? And we'll say we don't have, we will return. So this will make base case, right? Like example 3. So example 3, what we have, S1 we have lead and code we have, right? So if you here it will come what, in S3 it will come lead and here it will come code, right? So sorry, lead code it will come and code lead it will come, right? Like this. So if both are not equal, so we will return what, this one, empty string we will return. So this we will return. Next what we will do, we will check the GCD of the two length. If both are equal, means we will not go inside, we will continue our things, right? So first of all we should find our, I told you, length of GCD, you can say GCD, length of GCD we will find. How we will find that? We will check the we will take a GCD, we will make a function GCD utility. We will make a GCD utility method, and this we will pass our S1 dot, we say length. This is a function we have, right? And similarly we'll take for length 2, length 1 and length 2 we will pass, right? And this function will return you the length. Okay, so let me go here and we'll write here. So if I'll write the method, right, so it will return integer, and we have our GCD utility method. So let's write this one. So this is nothing but our S2 and this is nothing but our S1, right? So if we'll say this one as a int m, and this is nothing but int n, m and n we have, right? So what we have to do, if n equal to what, 0, we will in the same line we can write return m, right? Similarly if not that is the case, right, so we'll write else, right? Else we will return what, we'll find the condition, right, its length. We'll find we'll calculate this GCD and we'll say what, GCD of, we'll find we'll pass as a it's after divisible, right? What divisible we have to divide each time, right? So we will divide by n, and then what we have, m divisible, right? For the divisible we will use this one, right? And we'll pass m and end, right? For divisibility we'll check like this. I think this will work. And one more thing what we will do, once our GCD length is here, we will return that substring, right? Return the substring length. Okay, not substring, substring. We have S1, either S1 or S2. We will do the substring. You have the substring, and we'll start from what, the starting index, and to the length of the GCD. So let me run. Yeah, this will work. Great. Thank you so much, guys. And let me summarize this one. So what we will do here, first we will get our S3 and S4, right? And we'll do the calculation here. You can do, if you want to sort this one, what we will do here, in S3 you will paste this one as a length, and in S4 you will paste this thing like this. You can do, and you can remove this one, right? So this will also work. Okay, we have to put into in single. This should work. Yeah. So S1, always check S1 plus S2 is equal to S2 plus S1. If not, we will return from there only. No need to check further, or if we will find the what we can say GCD, we have the GCD functionality here. What we have to take, we will check the divisibility. If we can divide by the we have the divisibility, right? M we have given, right? So if we can divide with this substring, so we have our substring length, right? It will give you minimum after divisibility. It will return you minimum how much it will divide, right? That we will give, and then we will return our GCD, okay, length, and then we will find the substring length. Okay, you know the substring. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, hit, comment in this video.